Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. WhatsApp has recently introduced WhatsApp username, and if you got this update and you have set your username and now you want to edit it, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your username on WhatsApp. So first open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android, and if you're using an iPhone then go to U tab, and if you're using an Android then click on the three dot at the top right of the screen and then choose settings. Now here you can see as I have set my username here. So to edit it, click on this pencil icon at the top right of the window and now go to username. After that, click on this edit button and then choose change username. Now here in the text field, delete the username you have previously set and then retype the new desired username you want to set. Once you fill the new username, WhatsApp will automatically check whether it's available or not. If the username is already taken or doesn't meet WhatsApp requirements, you'll need to choose the different one. And once you see username is available, click on the save button. And that's it. Your username is now reserved. So click on OK and you are good to go. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.